might have otherwise gotten. There's a lot of risk factors to take into account.
Start for free. Avoid dealing with any of the ad platform headaches or confusion. Plus, you can start making money passively because this method works around the clock, even while you sleep. Frankly, these are traffic sources even some of the gurus don't know about, yet they are the most universally used among our platinum.
Well, that might be because the gurus don't have to explore different platforms. They can just stick to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and make the money that's coming in through ads and stuff on YouTube. And they don't really take the time to branch out to their platforms because they don't really see a need to. Whereas people like who are using this service, people who are freelancing, people who are maybe on Upwork even, they're more inclined to explore different platforms, maybe more up-and-coming platforms, because like the big tech services are very gatekeepy about the kinds of people they promote, and it's very hard to get successful on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. But when it comes to a less used source like Flickr, where I share my photography, it's a little easier to be successful because there's maybe they have like maybe a 50th or a 25th of the audience YouTube has. And so there's a smaller audience of people, and so more people are likely to view the content you post there.
Affiliates. And if you stick with me for just a few more minutes, I'll show you how to get the full details on them so you can kickstart your affiliate business and make inroads towards your first $2,000 paycheck and beyond, faster than what seems possible.
Is it a paycheck, or is it just an amalgamation of money that you've earned?
And here's the best part of all. Once you've done all the upfront work, no more than 5 minutes a day, your money tree is ripe for the harvest.
5 minutes a day. It's going to be longer than that, trust me. Okay, well, if you like just sign up for a service on Upwork that may take only like 5 minutes to sign up for and invest money in, like, then yeah, you did 5 minutes of work, but it's going to take a month for it to show up in your bank account. So you probably want to try to find other ways to make money in the meantime while you're waiting for that money to come in.
And you can start making money day and night without doing any extra work. Simply sit back, relax, and enjoy your new passive income stream. Plus, all the incredible things it lets you buy. If you want a new car, go buy it. If you need to pay off a credit card, go for it.
If you need to pay off student loans like me,
feel free, splurge a little. Because once you're in charge of your time,
yeah, be careful how much you splurge.
To you and how you want to spend it. Then again, maybe you find yourself falling in love with the process. Maybe you start to become addicted to making money appear out of thin air. Look, I wouldn't blame you. Once you get a small taste of what's possible...
Yeah, that's kind of the thing with me. I'm either really invested in leisure or I'm really invested in work. Like, my personality is, like, kind of obsessive like that.
You might want to pump the gas a little, which is why we'll also show you how to accelerate your progress and your income if you so choose.
I mean, I think I've gotten a little better at taking breaks and managing my time. I've gotten a lot better at that, actually.
How? With paid traffic. That's traffic like Google, Facebook, YouTube ads. Now, where most affiliates go wrong with this step is they jump the gun, so to speak. They go to paid traffic right out of the gate. Now, don't get me wrong. Paid traffic is amazing because when used correctly, it can explode.
I guess it just depends on the kinds of breaks you're taking. If you're taking a break maybe to get coffee, and that's usually a break that's less likely to distract you. But if you're binging an anime, like if you think you can't stop, then that's probably not a good thing to take a break with.
Your income stream fairly quickly, which is exactly why we will show you how to scale your offer with paid traffic, including when you can turn to it, how you can do it step by step, plus where you can find the right traffic to send to your content, all while risking as little of your finances as possible.
I mean, I'm also afraid of risking my reputation by posting ads to services on Facebook.
And look, if you're the type of person who wants to start with paid traffic and has the finances and determination to do so, no sweat. We'll hand you the fast pass to get started with it right away. See, after analyzing $5.5 billion we've paid out in commissions and picking the brains of our top platinum affiliates on our platform, we're ready to share never-before-seen strategies and tips the best of the best are using to find the right paid traffic and get incredible results. So whether you want to start with free traffic or skip ahead to paid traffic, today you will get a proven action plan to get eyeballs on your offer.
Yep. I want to get eyeballs on my Upwork account, and I've been doing that by getting a lot of reviews. I've been completing jobs, and I've been asking people, hey, can you send me a review of my product? And I basically also complete feedback because Upwork doesn't exactly display the reviews people have given of you unless you give feedback to the people after they've closed the contract.
So you can easily blow past the tipping point, make significantly more money fast, and experience what it truly means to become the master of your own destiny.
Look, I'll be honest, I kind of feel like ever since I've gotten into internet finance, freelancing and stuff, I have felt free. I have felt a little more free and feel more like the master of my own destiny. It does kind of give you that sense of control that you have. But I mean, my goal ultimately